Okay, so today we're going to learn how to unsubscribe from emails that we don't want. So we type in, gmail.com, and we wait a second, and then Gmail pops up. Ooh. Okay, so most of the emails that I don't want are in promotions. And so I really don't want to get these watches emails anymore. So I click on that email and we wait for it to load, and then it's usually always at the bottom. Where is it? And then you just click unsubscribe, and then it will take you there and it'll ask you a bunch of questions sometimes because they don't want you to unsubscribe, but you have to. That's the end.